Welcome dear students. In this video lecture we are going to learn the figures of speech means poetic devices from the poem number 6, that is money. So what are the figure of speech are used in this poem? Number 1, inversion. So what is inversion? In which the prose order is incorrect, we have to make it correct. See the example. Felt I like a child, think I. This is incorrect prose order. How it should be? It should be means the word order should be I felt like a child. Means here I think is reverse for effect. Let's look at the second example. Much have I thought of life. It is the incorrect prose order. Then how it should be? I have thought much of life. It is a reverse to give the poetic effect. This is called an inversion. Now let's look at another figure of speech. What is that? Simile. Already you know where there is a direct comparison between two objects using the words like or as. See the example. Like a child means there was a trumpet in the hand of poet, and what was mentioned there? Like a child means the poet compares himself with a child. And what is the word is used there? Like. So this is the example of simile. Let's look at the second. Vayus do hum like bees about their work. Means here the vayus of poor men are as busy as bees in their work. माहिती कुठल्या दोन गोष्टींमध्ये कंपॅरिझन करण्यात आलेली आहे. वायूज ऑफ पुअर मेन, गरीब लोकांच्या ज्या वायूज आहेत पत्नी, त्यांची तुलना हमिंग करणाऱ्या ज्या बीज असतात त्यांच्याशी करण्यात आलेली आहे. सो दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सिमिली. नाव व्हॉट इज ॲलिटरेशन? यू नो इट व्हेरी वेल वेअर दी sound or the letter is repeated pleasingly, as seen the example. For many a false man as a friend, means here the sound of f is pleasingly repeated. In next example, came knocking all day at my door, means the sound of d is pleasingly repeated. So these are the examples of alliteration. Now let's look at another one, repetition. What is repetition? Where the same word is repeated. See the example. When I had money. Oh, now which word is repeated here? The line is repeated and the word money. So the word is the theme and it is repeated to emphasize that he was rich, very rich. So money word is repeated twice. That's why this is the example of repetition. Now fourth one, that is onomatopoeia. So what is this figure of speech? Already we have learned it. Do hum like bees. Now see here the word humming म्हणजे जे गाणं गुणगुणणं असतं, इट इमिटेट्स द हमिंग ऑफ बीज. लगेच आपल्याला त्या मधमाशांचा जो आवाज असतो ना असा हमिंग, तो आपल्याला ऐकायला येतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड onomatopoeia. ओके. अँड अनदर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ onomatopoeia इज दॅट ब्लो, ट्रम्पेट ब्लो. तो शब्द आला की लगेच ट्रम्पेटचा जो आवाज असतो तो आवाज आपल्या कानांवर येतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड onomatopoeia. नाव लेट्स लुक ॲट द figure of speech number 5, antithesis. Antithesis also I have explained to you already. Anti means opposite and thesis means ideas or words. It means where there are two opposite ideas or words, that is called antithesis. See the example. Many a false man as a friend. Now see the quality of friends is supposed to be sincere and loyal. Here means many friends prove all untrue. Means what is opposite ideas are used here, but they are described as opposite, false and untrue. म्हणजे मित्रांची कंपॅरिझन या ठिकाणी आपण दोन शब्दांवरनं लक्षात घेतोय. फाल्स म्हणजे खोटे लबाड मित्र, अनट्रू अगदी ढोंगी लबाड, आणि त्याच्या विरुद्ध काय? ट्रू. Once laugh, rich once frown. The poor smile and the rich frown. This is opposite of what we expect. म्हणजे पुअर व्यक्ती आहे तर तो चिअरफुल आहे म्हणजे आनंदी आहे, आणि रिच पर्सन कसा आहे? फ्राउन म्हणजे चिंतातूर टेन्शनमध्ये रागावलेला आहे. तर या दोघं गोष्टी कशा एकमेकांच्या अपोजिट. सो दीज आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ अँटिथेसिस. पुअर मेन नीड नॉट गो अप, द रिच मेन शुड कम डाऊन. नाव व्हॉट इज द कंपॅरिझन हिअर, or what are the two opposite words or ideas used here? See, the rich must know simplicity, says the poet, and the opposite of what we say, that the poor must come up in life, up and down. Is that clear? So where there are two opposite words or ideas, that is called antithesis. Thank you very much.